Welcome, in front of me is a TCL 408 and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this phone. Now before you get started, you will need to grab a SIM ejector, which comes provided with the device in the box. But if you can't find it, maybe you just lost it, whatever the case may be, you can use a paper clip as a substitute. Just straighten out one of the ends and it should work just as well. Now once you have either one of those, you want to pop out the tray, which is located on the top left side of the device. Now this one actually looks to be a little bit too thick, so I'm gonna get another one like this one, which is a little bit thinner. There we go. So from here, push the pin in, and as you can see, the tray comes out. And once you take it out, you can see you have space for 2 dedicated SIM cards and 1 dedicated SD card. I'm going to be occupying only one of each, like so. And once the cards are placed on the tray, you can then insert the tray back into your device. Just do it carefully. There's nothing holding those cards in place, so they could just kind of, just to demonstrate, pop out. So there we go. And once the cards are in place, they should start working almost right away. So the phone is already looking for reception and just found it. Now in terms of the SD card, I can already tell you it won't be actually working for me because the card that I inserted is broken. So it will give me something like unsupported SD card or something along those. Oh, there we go, unsupported SD card. So for me that card doesn't work, but it's obviously it's reading that the card is inserted. The card is just broken. So with that being said, that is how you would insert your SIM and SD card. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.